when one wonders about the reliability of the scriptures, because that is an extra biblical fact that can be substantiated by extra. Intuitive online dashboard. Discover why 3 million businesses use Indeed.com for hiring. Post a job today at Indeed.com/hire. Search for greatness. Search Indeed.
Dell's dedicated small business advisors give you tech advice and one-on-one partnership to help your business grow. And now's the time to save on select business.
So there's no risk to call. 1-800-900-1198. Will be a part of the Opry at the Ryman Final Opry of 2018, along with Jeannie Seeley, Joshua Headley, Mike Snyder, Connie Smith, Mandy Barnett, Larry Gatlin, Jason Crabb, Opry Square Dancers' Old Crow Medicine Show, and the Opry debut of Mary Mack, the old Irish song. Remember that one? Wouldn't it be great if she played that? We're going to find out what's going on with the Opry debut this evening as part of the Grand Ole Opry. I'm Jeff Hogue. You know I love to go back to the source. And if you listen to All I Can Be, a song written by legendary songwriter Harlan Howard, you might remember that Johnny Rodriguez had a hit on that song as well. And I thought we'd go back and hear some Johnny Rodriguez. Here he is with How Could I Love Her So Much on the Legend 650 AM WSM on the Opry warm-up show.
There will be an extreme focus on special teams, and I want Eric.
Being there and seeing those smiles, that's almost better, and it might be better than winning a game.
Ange has biopsy-proven non-Hodgkin.
Dabo Sweeney, can't say enough. He's talking.
47 miles of barbed wire. Use a cobra snake for a necktie. Got a brand new house on the roadside. Made from rattlesnake hide. I got a brand new chimney made on top. Made from a human skull.
To somebody else to manage, but understanding, champ, that you can manage your own money.
Because they were
6099. That's 888-809-6099. Or book online at 4abc.com. And consider it done.
Hi, my name is Cheyenne. Did you know that Catholic Education Foundation?
Tell you to get out of the...
Search results lately. Search results are usually the first impression that people form of you or your business. So make sure that they create a positive impression with Reputation Defender.
Other window companies might try to stick it to you.
Steps up, and down he goes. So that is now when you combine tackles for loss and sacks.
Wow. And here we are, now in our third location.
You saw people sitting out at those 3
months.
They have got to have.
Confusing. There is a number of designations for SD cards.
CE accounts. So they wanted to use.
Understand? It's not a 4-minute.
It's because of what it stands for.
The Lordship rule.
By the way, have you met my son? His name is... My father is the king.
I don't care. They're lesser brand, like we.
hospital. Man, second to none. And I had no idea Dabo had scoliosis. He couldn't play.
You would say, well, why don't I get
for the Cavaliers in the middle.
In the center.
If you go to the NFL, you think, whoa, I really want to.
4 to 6 weeks, you'll find that
lanes are blocked. And in Queens, we're still working to clear a crash from the LIE eastbound approaching Main Street, exit 23. That's taking out the right lane. Those delays are back to Queens Boulevard. In Brooklyn, we've got a collision on the BQE southbound approaching Tillery Street, exit 29. That's got one lane out. Those delays are back to the Williamsburg Bridge. Still working to clear that accident from the Connecticut Turnpike northbound before Arch Street in Greenwich, exit 3. Those delays go back to the New York line. And in New Jersey, we have a broken down bus in the right lane on the New Jersey Turnpike's outer roadway southbound, just before the Molly Picture Service area in Cranberry. And still working to clear a collision from Tunnelly Avenue southbound near County Avenue in Jersey City. That's taking out the left lane about 5 to 10 minutes to get around it. Our next traffic update is in less than 10 minutes on WCBS.
And now the forecast. Let's check in with meteorologist Mark Larson. Colder tonight, but not Michigan is one of those upper echelon programs anymore. And I know
I'm not going to try to pick the winning horse. I'm going to... program here.
To near 40. Clear early tomorrow night, increasing clouds. Late tomorrow night, low 31. And periods of rain Monday, high 40. The lakefront temperature 28, Midway 28, over here 26. In Calumet Heights, it's 30. Headed to a low of 16 to the western suburbs and 24 at the lakefront, with snow showers followed by clearing. I'm AccuWeather's Bob Larson on Chicago's weather station, News Radio 780. 105.9 FM.
winter is coming. You know what that means. Cold weather and a brutal wind off the lake. Fear not. You can reserve the closest parking in your...
This is not your business. This is not your business, though. Okay, you may be a store man.
Direction. Again, if you're...
And get them off your shoulder. Yeah. Making love to you.
Saturday Night Bandstand. I'm Norm Edwards, and for a lot of folks, this can be a lonely time of year. If you're looking for perhaps a little more companionship over the holiday season, well, we're here for you. Stick with Zoomer Hits, AM 740, 96.7 AM, and be part of the Zoomer Radio family.
If you took all the Canadians that bought a Ford Escape in 2018 and turned them into music notes, they'd sound like this. During the Ford year-end